I welcome you again in the second part of the 7th lecture. So in the last video, we have seen the ultimate analysis and determination of carbon and hydrogen. And in this video, I am going to talk about the numerical based on proximate analysis. And the proximate analysis we have seen in the 6th video, 6th lecture. So now let me write down the statement. Numerical 1. About 2.5 gram of coal sample was taken in a silica crucible after 1 hour heating at 110 degrees Celsius. The residual weight is 2.4 gram. After strong heating at 950 degrees Celsius for 7 minutes, the residual weight is 1.5 gram. Subsequent heating was done without lead till constant weight. Final weight was found to be 0.3 gram. Find the results of proximate analysis. Now, if you go by the statement is the whole procedure of proximate analysis. The same procedure you have seen in the case of proximate analysis. This is the amount of coal which was taken in the silica crucible and heated for 110 degrees Celsius. That means in the first case, what we are determining, what we are taking, the moisture content. What we are removing, the moisture content. The residual weight was 2.4. That means initial weight 2.5 and the weight after heating for 1 hour at 110 degrees Celsius, the weight become 2.4 degrees Celsius. That means there is a weight loss due to the moisture. Then after strong heating at 950 degrees Celsius for 7 minutes, you particularly do this course for determining the volatile content. Now the residual weight become 1.5. That means 2.4 to 1.5. Subsequent heating was done without lead till the constant weight. The final weight was found to be 0.3 gram, and that is the weight of your ash. That is the final weight of the crucible. And find out the residual results of the proximate analysis. Now you see, the first one is the moisture content. What is moisture content? How you determine the percentage moisture content? Percentage moisture is the weight loss due to the moisture. Initially it was means 2.5 and then 2.4. So what is the weight loss due to moisture? 2.5 minus 2.4 divided by 2.5 multiplied by 100. Simple, as simple as that. And this value comes out to be you can calculate, you can verify it. The value comes out to be 4%. That means the coal sample contains 4% moisture. Second is volatile matter. Now you see, you started with 2.4. By heating at this temperature for 7 minutes, the residual weight becomes 1.5. That means weight loss due to volatile content will be 2.4 minus 1.5 divided by total weight multiplied by 100. That means 0.9 upon 2.5 into 100, and this value comes out to be 36%, and you can also verify the calculation. Lastly, percentage H. So percentage H, now you see, this is the final weight 2.3. That means this is the weight of H only. So 0.3 and total weight of the coal was 2.5 multiplied by 100, and this value comes out to be 12%. You can also verify. And lastly, the fixed carbon. Fixed carbon will be 100 minus all the component, 4 plus 36 plus 12. So this become 40, 52. That means 48%. Your coal sample contains 48% carbon. So I think the numerical is very simple. Everything is itself clear. 2.5 ग्राम कॉल सैंपल लिया आपने, उसके बाद बच गया 2.4 के बाद फिर 950 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे हीट करने के बाद बच गया 1.5 के बाद फाइनली वेट आया 0.3. सो 0.3 2.5 जो कॉल सैंपल था उसमें से मॉइस्चर निकलने के बाद 2.4 ग्राम कॉल रह गया. 2.4 में से वोलाटाइल मैटर निकलने के बाद 1.5 ग्राम कॉल रह गया, और सब कुछ होने के बाद जो फाइनल वेट आता है कोयले कंबस्शन होने के बाद 0.3. राइट. सो दिस इज हाउ यू विल simply put the numerical values in the formula and you will get the results. I think the numerical is not difficult. Let us take another numerical. Zero 0.5 gram of coal sample this is not on the proximate analysis. Specifically, I am looking for the proximate analysis. Let me find out. Yes, you can try this numerical at home. The second numerical, 1.5 gram of coal sample. 1.5 gram of coal sample was taken in silica crucible. After 1 hour. After 1 hour of heating, 1 hour heating at 110 degrees Celsius, the residual weight is 1.2 gram. 1 घंटा हीट करने के बाद 1.2 ग्राम बचा. After strong heating at 950 degrees Celsius for 7 minutes, for 7 minutes. The residual weight is 0.45 gram. Subsequent heating was done without lead. Subsequent heating was done without lead. Till constant weight. Final weight was 0.15 gram. Find the results of proximate analysis. Find the weight of proximate analysis. So this is the very similar numerical to the earlier one. So you can try this numerical at home and tell me the